So today we are taking a look at greasing up the grease nipples on the UV joints on my XJ40. So there's one per side and they reside on the, get a good shot at this, which is a bit difficult, but I'm not sure if you can actually see this. So I've got here's the lower control arm. There is, can I see this on the phone? There is the U joint, UJ. You can actually see it from here, so let's try it from here. So, yeah, there you go. So you've got the universal joint here, and to the bottom of that universal joint you can see the bleed nipple. Now, it is that we're going to try and get the grease gun that I've got here onto. We're going to just try pumping it with some grease. So ideally you want to get the car jacked up, but I'm actually going to see if I can do it by just laying on the floor next to the rear of the car on each side and seeing if I can just get the tool into there and squeeze it up that way. So let's try and position this torch somewhere that gives us a bit of light on the situation. And about there looks good actually, that's illuminated it. So let's get this. That's a shame, may not actually get in there without getting the car jacked up, so let's see. Now it does look like we're going to have to jack the car up, so let's go and get that done. So if I get the car jacked up a bit, what I can do, if I release the handbrake, so making sure the front wheels are chocked and you're on a flat surface, what I can do is to rotate the road wheel slightly so that that bleed nipple becomes all the more accessible. So if we take a look now, you can see that that bleed nipple, I think, is facing directly backwards. So if we look, oops, need to get that over a bit there. I think it is there somewhere. Let's just check. Yeah, that's the bleed nipple there. Yeah, you can see it, so hopefully, let's see if we can see it, because it's quite tricky filming here. There, you can see it right there. So I'm pointing at it now. There. So we just need to get that injected with a little bit of grease. So I'm trying to see if there's a way I can do this whilst keeping the film going as well. I'm not sure there is, so we may have to be a bit clever about this. It's actually a bit difficult getting in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the filming and actually I'll put the film camera here. Let's see if we actually get anything. Let's have a look. So the grease gun just squamps on like this. and we pump it, get that whole UJ nicely filled with grease. If we take it away, you can see there that we've got a nice blob of grease there. Let's give it another couple of squeezes, and we've got a UJ that has a nice blob of grease in it. The rest of the UJ actually looks pretty good, to be honest. There's no excess corrosion. Overall, not too bad for over 30 years old. Right, so let's proceed on to the other side. Okay, we're on the other side now, and you can see that UJ there. And what I've done is I've got it round so that the grease nipple is just showing. Now what that should allow me to do is get grease gun in on this side. So hopefully you'll be able to see something. So that's going up through the hole in the lower arm here. So I'm hoping that I can do this. Get it on there like so. Give it a good pumping. Yeah, there's definitely stuff going in there. Greaser on it. Let's check that it's still actually got grease in there. Yeah, I think we're still pumping grease. Let's just double check because I may actually be out of grease now, so let's have a look. Oh, it's right on the limit. We should still have enough in there to finish off this one, as we certainly managed to do the other side, and we've certainly got some into that one there. So let's see if we can yield any more. Let's see, so let's get this onto here again. There we are. Yeah, I'd say we've definitely got some in there. There we go. And if we double check, everything on that UJ looks quite good. But that is now greased up. So that's just a bit of peace of mind. And there we go. The next task that we will need to do, which we won't be doing today, is to renew the diff oil. And the diff oil, here's the diff, and if I remember rightly, through this hole here, which I'm illuminating, is the drain plug. Looking at it, there is a bit of a leak around there, but there's nothing on the floor, so it doesn't seem to be a leak that's particularly persistent, but it's certainly something that we may want to keep our eye on. What we may want to do is just add a little bit of oil to the diff before we complete our next journey. Anyway, that is it for today. Oh dear. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit that like button, and also consider subscribing for more upcoming fascinating hobbies. Thank you very much for watching.